Ready, in action, go.
Hey everyone, I'm just here at Walmart just looking at some things. We're here looking for some toys for my brothers. We're also here looking for things for my dog, and also looking at Minecraft toys. If you like Minecraft, give me a subscribe, and I'll just talk to you for a while, and I'll be showing some cool things that are not open, but I'll be showing them to you. So first off, we have Dan TDM with a diamond shovel and a hammer and his dog. And second, we have Steve with a pickaxe, a wooden pickaxe. Third, we have a creeper that's broken apart. And then we have a big dog up there with a bow. And then we have this black sheep, Alex with a golden pickaxe, and a squid. And my brother also likes Power Rangers, and there's Power Rangers. Here's a red Power Ranger, the pink one. I do not know the names. I do not watch it. And I do not like it, and my brother does, so he'll probably tell you all the names and things. And also, just to let you know, if you like Sasquatch, subscribe to him. You better. Oh, my name is also Esteban. Subscribe. Peace out.